This is your Christmas message from Ian Sturrock and Sons, providers of fine Welsh fruit trees. This morning on the radio it mentioned that David Attenborough was talking to the world leaders about saving planet Earth. One of the things we can do that is to cut down our food miles. I mean, I do that by coming here. This is Bangor Tesco's. It's only 2 minutes down the road, so my food miles are very small, which of course is very good. Another thing that was on the radio this morning was they were talking about breakfast.
Brexit?
Oh yeah, Brexit. And that of course is going to happen now in just a couple of weeks' time. And all this food here, pan it, Sarah, over here. All this food here, 90% is imported, most of it from Europe. So when Brexit happens, the pound's going to drop and the price of this food is going to go right up. It's going to be very expensive to get your 5 a day. So over there was a few apples, Bramleys picked in Britain. Well, they would be picked by some Johnny foreigner from Europe. They're not going to come here again. So who's going to pick the few that we do grow? So what I suggest is buy your fruit trees from us. Take control back. Grow your apples, grow your pears, grow your cherries. So take control. Don't let your little children die of scurvy. Buy fruit trees from us.